Hello guys. Today I am going to show you how to draw Majin Vegeta. Vegeta sacrifice. All material I am using is written on description box. Watch full tutorial. Don't skip. First draw eyebrows with the help of guideline. Now draw eyes. Now draw nose, just below the eyes. Now draw his epic smile. Now draw Majin logo. Now draw his face outline. Now draw his hairs, spiky hairs. Comment down your favorite anime character. I will draw it for you. Do some detailing. Outline is done. Now time to do inking process. First delete erase. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I am using black pen. You can also use black color pencil or a marker for it. Okay, let's do it. Inking process is complete. Now time to do coloring. Before coloring, do some detailing. For blood I am using red marker for it. Now time to do coloring. First color shadow part with dark brown color. Now light brown for shadow effect. Now use skin color. For eyebrows and hairs, use yellow color for it. Our Majin Vegeta drawing is complete.